Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Jenny and today I'm going to show you how to create this drugstore Valentine's Day date night makeup look. So if you want to see how I did it, keep on watching.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, two hearts running wild.
Okay, so this is not pink enough for my liking, so I'm gonna dip into my Beauty Bay Bright 2.0 palette and we're gonna use a bit of this color here on that fluffy brush, just a tiny bit, and try to make it a bit more pink. That's so much better instantly. It's kind of a purpley color. And then this like lid color I used from the Catrice palette is like super silvery. Like in the pan, it looks slightly more warm tone, but then on the lids, is it just me? Am I crazy? So I'm gonna use this bright shimmery pink and go on top of it. Clean off my brush, and then we'll just go in there. And then wet it also. Yeah, that's so much better. I'm so sad this Catrice palette was such a flop. And then for the inner corner, I want it to be nice and bright and sparkly. So I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place Nubian Earth, and we're gonna use this shade right here. And kind of gently drag that over the lid. That's so pretty. Take my powder brush just to dust away some of that extra glitter. And I like to use two different mascaras. I feel like they work really well together. I just stabbed myself on the eye. That really hurt. Beauty's pain, right? That's what the cool kids used to say. time to set the face. So that is the look completed. I know it was a bit of a whirlwind and I grabbed some other random palettes here and there to try to fix the look, and I actually ended up really loving it. My palette is a little old, but based off of its performance, I would not recommend this Catrice Soft Rose Look palette. Not a huge fan. If you like the gray look that it created, then maybe. But just like going off of the look of the palette, it looks so much warmer and rosier, so just not a fan of how it actually performed. Once I added those pink shades from the Beauty Bay palette, I feel like it turned out so nicely. So this was my attempt at an affordable Valentine's Day makeup look. Let me know any recommendations or requests that you'd like to see from me next. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you like this video and hit that subscribe button to join the family. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video.